That would be a clue if he starts too soon. Okay? I'm giving y'all all the little secrets and the little hint. Start too soon, that's a clue. I'm looking for 3 clues. All I need is 3. You release the point 10. If I get 3. Start too soon will be 1. Stepping off that line will be another one. Counting and taking 2 minute steps will be another one. There's a whole bunch I can find in there. Okay? Alright. I want you to keep your hands by your side at all times. When I tell you to begin, I want you to start with your left foot. I want you to keep your right toe. And I want you to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That 9th step, you turn just like this. You don't turn like I'm turning, guess what that is? A clue, that's right. You can't fall in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Go ahead and begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look here. How many steps I say take?
That's a clue.
I said take how many?
9.
He said how many?
11.
He said 11. He was finished to say 12. You stopped.
Okay, Tyler, 9 back. 9!
9 forward, 9 forward.
That's okay, that's 1.
2,
Okay.
3,
Mom,
4,
I don't even expect you to pass.
6, 7.
Okay. Very good. Thank you, Tyler. Now, come up here. Mom's gonna need some support, okay? All right, Mom. Go ahead and step up there on the line for me. You wanna help me hold on? Get one side and I get off, okay?
Now this is 1 slip.
This is equivalent to 2 or 3 beers, depending on what you drink. Okay? Go ahead and get that right heel against that left toe. Close enough. I want you to match that toe. All right. Go ahead and put those on for me.
Whoa.
No. Hands down by your side. Keep them by your side, okay?
Mine's over here.
No, it's not right there in front of you. Guys, did we move the line? No. Did we move that line? No. Okay. All right. When I tell you again, I want you to take 9 steps just like Tyler did, okay?
Can I put my hands
No,
right
you
here?
got to keep them by your side. They go right there. Now, do I need to cuff you? Ah! Right there. Don't move. Right there. Okay? You with me?
I'm with you.
Okay, Mom. Go ahead and take 9. I want you to count out loud every step, okay?
This is 1 or 2?
First one you take is going to be 1.
Okay. Here's 1.
Don't get that toe. Top of the mat. Step on that toe.
Oh my gosh.
Tom, you going to help, man?
Here we go. Oh my God.
Don't let it fall. Just step back and don't let it fall. Don't fall up. How many is that? Okay, Mom. Take it, Mom. Mom been drinking for real, hey. Now look here. Take those off just a second. I'm going to show you what I want you to look at me. This is what you were doing.
Stay on there.
I know it. That's what that beer will do to you. And you think you're fine. Now, when you drink beer or any type of alcohol, it's not going to look like this, okay? But that's the way you're going to act. That's how we're going to see you, okay? Because I don't want y'all going and say, I tried them goggles on, man. I'm all right. I still don't see what I was looking at them goggles. No. All this is hands by your side. Yeah, those sides. There you go. All right. Whenever you're ready, take 9 steps and turn around. You remember how I told them to turn around? You remember that? Okay. Count out loud every step, okay? Keep your hands by your side. You can't fly. You cannot fly. I don't care what R. Kelly said. You cannot fly. Keep them by your side.
1.
You're going to fall this way. I'll stand on this side.
3.
I told you she's going to fall this way.
5.
That's 6, 7,
6.
8, 9.
Oh, shit.
All right, hold on. All right, y'all give her a hand. She's point 17. Can you stand it? All right. Come on with it. Keep by your side, dog. Keep by your side. All right, where you going? One. Right here with me. I got you, all right?
All right.
You sure? I got you.
All right.
Hey, I feel stressed a lot more than you wait, so I got you.
All right.
All right?
All right.
9 steps when you're ready to start, okay? Keep
right.
your hand by your side.
right.
Go ahead and begin whenever you're ready.
1.
All right. Take them goggles off just a minute, boy. Where you going, man? You on the line over here. You over there.
I was right there.
I guess we must have moved the line between times.
Y'all moved the line. I was right
I
there.
figured we did.
All right, I got it.
All right. Try it again. All right. Let's don't fall on me, dog, because I ain't got no insurance. Okay. All right, that's all, boy. How about you can drink, man? Give me a hand, guys. I'm going to bed.
Can't stand up like, woo, Lord.
You can't fly either, man. Well, you think you got wings, but we can't fly. All right, whenever you're ready. Wait a minute, hold up. Take them up, pull them up just a second. Heel against the toe. You know how this go. All right, get that heel against that toe. We ain't started. Put them up. All right, keep your hands down by your side. When I tell you to start up, I ain't gonna line moving on you now. Come on, man. You're a professional drunk. Come on. All right, whenever you're ready to start, 9 steps. Heel to toe. Can I lie?
2. 1.5. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9.
Okay. Come on around here. Come on around. Y'all see how far he missed with that? You want to see where you missed? Nope. Get but a couple. I'm selling these. Go ahead. All right. All right. Come on, you with me. I'll do it. What's wrong? Very good.